Did you know that one of the world's richest regions was once mostly desert? Welcome to the story of mineral oil wealth in the Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates or UAE transformed dramatically after the discovery of oil in the mid 20th century. Before oil, the economy relied on fishing, pearl diving and trade. Everything changed in 1958 when large oil reserves were discovered in Abu Dhabi. Soon after, oil exports began in 1962, marking the start of a new era of prosperity. Oil, also known as petroleum, is a valuable natural resource used to produce fuel, plastics, and many everyday products. The UAE has some of the largest oil reserves in the world, making it a key player in the global energy market. Cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi used oil revenues to build modern infrastructure, skyscrapers, highways, airports, and world class facilities. What was once desert is now home to some of the most advanced cities on earth. But here's the interesting part. The UAE didn't stop at our oil. Leaders realized that oil resources are limited, so they invested heavily in tourism, finance, and technology to build a sustainable future. Today, while oil still plays a major role, the UAE is also known for innovation, luxury tourism, and global business. In just a few decades, the Arab Emirates turned mineral oil wealth into a foundation for rapid development and global influence. From desert sands to economic powerhouse, that's the power of oil and smart planning. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.